Mark Zabloudil with MJ Holding. I'm the COO at MJ Holding, and we operate a distribution business in the trading cards and novelty arena. We have customers we deal with: Walmart, Target, grocery houses, Myers, and so forth. So that's our area of business and where we distribute our products. The project with Alpine really centered around a couple key objectives for us. One, there was four main things we wanted to accomplish. One, reduce our dependence on outside storage. We had 5 buildings we were operating out of. We wanted to expand our e-com operation and increase capacity there. We wanted to get more capacity out of our pick and pack operation while increasing efficiency. And then also in our assembly area, looking at how we could improve the assembly operation by giving a larger footprint from the assembly side of things. When you look at the results of the objectives achieved from the initiative, we really had some phenomenal results on the fixed cost side by reducing the 5 facilities we operated out of. The annual savings was somewhere in the ballpark of $3 million, and just getting more storage space in a modernized facility. So we were able to accomplish that by really looking at our overall structure, strategy, storage methodology, the size of the pallets, the storage techniques, what type of rack we should use, drive-in, conventional standard rack, 3D pushback, and so forth. So we came up with the right storage methodology to eliminate the dependency on those 5 outside warehouse locations. When you look at our picking operation, we had a pick-to-light operation, which we continued with in our current facility. The difference being we went to a pick module, a 3-level pick module. And where Alpine helped us with that was making sure we had the right capacities from pallet flow lanes to carton flow lanes, the organization of that, what level they should be on, and then the capability of duplicating or mirroring, as we call it, the number of SKUs on a specific level. We were able to mirror on the first level, which is pallet flow, mirror on the second level or the third level, which is carton flow. The process we went through with them was very, very informative because we had the data. We didn't know how to use the data to analyze it the proper way. So based on the slotting strategy, the methodology, again, we've got the 3 levels in the pick module, but looking at the way we slot product by the diverts as an example. There's 4 quadrants on each level. Those are the types of things that we're able to decide where it was appropriate based on SKU volume, SKU movement. From a results achieved perspective, we were able to, and again, this is just the first few months of operating and getting stable operation, we reduced our cost by 10% from a picking cost per unit, but then also the capacities at one time what would take us 3-4 days to process orders for a specific retailer, we're now processing in 1 to 2 days. So there's the changes in increasing capacity and in providing a great deal of flexibility and slotting strategy is really what helped us achieve that objective. From our e-com operation, again, modernizing that, updating the e-com operation, again, the slotting strategy there, what types of combination of products should we have. And we've got a very standard methodology for the slotting piece, but how it should be organized. Again, where Alpine came in is we did the SKU analysis over 18 to 24 months of data based on releases and order releases. What types of picking structure should we have? So we set up, there's 9 different pick zones in the e-com area. The orders are brought to the picker, and where we do batch picking. And we're able to batch pick orders, process them through a mechanized system through a packing station. So to give everyone a perspective on that, the capacities in our old system, we could handle about 10,000, 12,000 orders per day. In the new system, we can handle about 30,000 orders. So we increased capacity from a standpoint of sheer order volume, but then on the cost side of things, we reduced our cost by 50% in terms of processing costs. So that was a significant reduction there. And the final piece that I made mention of was our production area, assembly area. And we basically have organized our assembly area by giving us the right footprint and using some of the analysis that Alpine provided on how much product goes through our assembly area, what types of flows there were. We organize it in such a way we're able to put some different storage methodologies opposite ends of the assembly area and basically store product for the production jobs in a very efficient manner, but also look at what products actually go through the production area. So there's a number of different areas that we looked at that Alpine was able to help us with and organize. From a results achieved perspective, we're able to reduce our cost per piece by 20% by just giving space but organizing the flows through the facility and making sure the inbound containers would flow through the production area, they were staged properly, and then moved into the order processing area. So those are the high level objectives. The key learnings from a project like this and what we had discussed, you don't want to solve for 100% of the problems, 100% of your concerns up front. Take your big impact areas, solve for those, and then learn from what you've designed, and you're able to take that to the next level and tweak the system. And that's what we're doing now. We're going through a tweaking process right now, and this is where we're getting the more efficiencies out that were really unplanned efficiencies. Once we've designed the system, we've used it, we understand it, now we can take advantage of the capabilities and the capacities, and then we've got the inherent flexibility we built into the design that ensures us continued growth and handling the growth, but also continued opportunity to eke cost out and make sure we can be responsive and nimble for the market.